Hey, this is Keith with Suncoast Appliance Repair in Tampa, Florida. I ran into a good trick. If you ever have a Hotpoint GE dryer where the push to start button tab is broken, like this Hotpoint console is usually on back order or drop ship only, but doing some research I found that this GE console is the exact mounting tabs to fix that push to start button. Everything lines up. This Hotpoint console number is WE19X25315. If you can't get it, go with this one, GE WE03X25284. Save you some time.